Well, hello guys. Just a short intro video here, explanation of what's been going on the last few days. Last Friday, a week ago, I went to upload the videos from that day and they would not upload. I tried them several times that night and they just flat wouldn't upload. So I worked Saturday out on the bandsaw, and the video I made for that day's work, I tried to upload Saturday night and it would not upload for whatever reason, who knows. And I tried and tried and tried over the next 2 or 3 days to get the videos to upload, and just nothing I did wouldn't make them upload. I don't know why or what for. So I made an appointment for Wednesday to take my computer down to the local Apple store here where I live and let them look at it, because this had happened before and they worked their magic, and for another year I uploaded without any problems. Well, Wednesday came and it was forecasted to be stormy and real bad weather, and I didn't feel like going out in that kind of weather and fighting the storm, so I rescheduled my appointment with the Apple store for this Friday, which is today. I carried it down this morning around noontime, went in, and a long story short, they didn't have to do nothing. They plugged everything in, hooked it up, uploaded my video, went right on up to YouTube, no problems. Jeez, okay. So the guy thought it could be something wrong with my equipment for me to come home and try uploading, and if it didn't upload, call them on the telephone and they would walk me through on the telephone to figure out what was wrong. Well, I came home, uploaded the video from last Friday, the first one that I tried to upload and couldn't, and it uploaded. There it went. I'm in the process of uploading the second video now. That's why I'm making this explanation. I'm going to put this on the front end of it so y'all understand when you see in the videos where I'm talking about it wouldn't upload, didn't upload, and da-de-da, this happened and that happened. You'll understand where that's coming from. This was all back when I was having problems a week ago. So that's all I wanted to say. So you'll understand when I'm talking on the videos about problems not uploading, not knowing what's uploading, and you won't see the videos or because they're not uploading, then you just ignore that, because you're obviously seeing the video. They're obviously uploading now. I do not know why they didn't or wouldn't upload last Friday and Saturday. I hadn't got a clue. Or the following Monday when I tried again. And but for now, I don't know, I guess it's just like the guy at the store said, that it's possibly a problem with my landline, my internet server, which I don't doubt that. I've got world famous Comcast, and geez, not my favorite company, but they're who I'm stuck with for the time being. So anyhow, that's enough of this. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the front end of my video so y'all understand when you hear about videos not uploading. That's what I was talking about during that filming of that time last week. So have a nice day. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye. Okay, folks, good morning. DIY/CNC woodworker here with you again. This is Monday morning. Well, actually, it's Monday afternoon, but worked Saturday on my bandsaw, recorded all that, worked a long time on a couple of wood plaques, recorded that, went to upload it, and for whatever reason it wouldn't upload. I don't know why, it just flat would not upload, so all that recording will be forever lost wherever it is. But what we got done is we've got the bandsaw tabletop mounted, put his trunnion on a plastic trunnion plate and mounted this. Got the riser bar, whatever they call this ratchet bar, got that installed and put on, even though I had got the wrong piece. And I'll go through and repeat all this again. If said this on a video already uploaded, I apologize, but when I ordered this bandsaw, I ordered the G0555LX bandsaw, deluxe bandsaw. With that bandsaw, excuse me, all my sniffling here, I had a choice of ordering a riser kit, which is a 6-inch block that goes here, and the other parts that go with it, a longer rod, other bits and pieces. Well, what I got in, well, let me back up. When you order the bandsaw, a specific type, in my case the 555LX, the choice you had of riser kits, it just said riser block for XYZ bandsaw. In my case, the G0555LX. So I went online and I looked, and it said riser block kit for G0555LX. You didn't have a choice of ordering XYZ or ABC or BQR or any other kind of riser block by any kind of number. You only got the riser block that went with that particular saw. So that's what I ordered. Well, when it got here, parts didn't fit. This riser block kit wouldn't fit. There's little pegs here and here and pegs here and here for everything to line up and mesh with. It didn't fit. So I called Grizzly and told him I got riser kit number 400 and something. Oh, that's the wrong riser kit, sir. I said, well, what do you mean the wrong riser kit? Oh, no, you should have had this riser kit and started with a T number. I said, well, how would I know that? I said, the only choice I had when I ordered was I ordered the riser kit for this saw, and that's what I ordered. Well, I got shipped the wrong riser kit, and I'm going to put that one off on Grizzly, because there's no way I couldn't have gone in and ordered the riser kit by the riser kit model number. So to get this to fit, I had to go in there with take a drill and get a drill to fit the size holes that were in here. There's 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, and just take that drill and wallow those holes out just the minutest amount. Didn't, I mean, a ½ millimeter or so, which I did. And this fit down. Now this is not perfectly flush. There's a little edge here, and there's a little edge down here, and a little edge here, because it's not fitting just perfectly, but it's fitting good enough. And I put the bolt in there and tightened it all up, and there you are. Then I mounted the power switch up here where it goes. We got, like I said, we got the tabletop mounted, got it mostly cleaned off. I believe it's Cosmoline or whatever it is they put on there. It's, I mean, that's like trying to get concrete off. I still got about 90% done. We got to still do more cleaning on it. And it's got a groove here. I got to get down in that groove and get it cleaned. And I got up to putting on this rear fence rail. Well, rear fence rail had disappeared. I mean, couldn't find it anywhere. Tore my garage apart. We looked everywhere. My wife looked, I looked. We could not find it anywhere. So I assumed, wrongly so, but I had assumed that it got inadvertently thrown out. Well, I come out here yesterday to do some finishing work on some plaques that I was working on. And the wife came out, and she's bound and determined she's going to find that riser kit. And after a little bit, I was kind of ignoring her because I was doing my thing and she was doing hers. And all of a sudden I hear, aha, here it is. Well, to make a long story short, she found it. And it goes on the back here, just a couple of bolts that screw into predetermined holes. I'm assuming that's how that goes on there. There's not much else you can do with it. And we'll get that mounted. And here she comes. I just telling them how you saved the day. that you're the local hero. Oh boy, she says. And of course our dog wants to come out. Mama's outside, he wants to be with Mama. All right, get on there. Can't be that hard. All right, I'm going to assume that's mounted. Now, the next step is the front fence rail. I got 2 bolts. I've got 2 bolts left over here that looks like that's what it needs. Let's see if I can tell from the picture here. It mounts. It shows a washer. Lock washer, and I don't have any lock washers. So, I've got 2 flat washers, they'll do instead. And that shows this mounting in here like this. Let's see if I can get this in there. Well, all right, folks, what I'm going to do is I'll stop the video for now. You don't need to see me fumbling with these nuts. As soon as I get this mounted, I'll come back. Okay, got the front and rear, what do they call those things? Fence rails attached. Now I'm trying to put the blade guard on, see if I can get it to fit. There we go. Of course, it's adjustable depending on the height of your blade. This slides up and down to accommodate that. Oh, that's a little tight. Whatever that is. Guess I can adjust that later. Okay, that's done. Now, oh, push the fence handle on, it says. That's easy enough. Now it shows the blade being on there, and I have not put the blade on yet. I guess that'll be the next task. As soon as I find out where it got off to, here it is. And I need a flat blade screwdriver to pull this out. All right. Let's see how this is going to go. Just a little tight. I need to lower that down some. All right. Where's my all-purpose wrench? See if that's what that works on that. Of course not. Well, this is going to take two of these. You can't see this back here, but it's got a double nutted device on this blade adjustment, which I'm going to assume that has to be adjusted to get the blade on, because it's too tight now. Let's see if that did anything blade-wise. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. That can't be right. Let me get this out. Okay, not doing a lot of talking, folks, because I'm trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing here. Alright, that's got a lot of adjustment to do. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and shut the video off for now. You don't have to watch me fiddling with this, trying to figure out what's going on. And as soon as I get this blade adjusted, I'll come back and show you what I've done. So I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, folks, I did a lot off camera just because I had to concentrate. My wife and my neighbor are so brave, they're standing outside the garage because I'm going to turn this thing on. But we went ahead and put the blade on, adjusted the tracking and all that and the tension and everything, and got it all set up. Everything looks good. Now, it's time to turn it on. And I'm brave too. I'm going to stand behind the machine and push the go button. And nothing happened. What's the deal? I've got power. Yeah. Maybe this tripped over here.
I had to reset it for the
No.
fan.
It's running. There's only one plugged in. Now why is that? No, there's two of them plugged in. All right. Well, that's the mystery. What's going on here? Do I have to spin it by hand to start it?
No.
Does it have the safety?
I don't know. Okay. Well, nothing happened. All right. I'm going to stop the video for a moment, try to figure out what the problem is, and I'll be back with you. All right, folks. All the mystery is gone. Jeez. For some reason, this plate wasn't on tight. When I pushed the on-off button to the on button, it wasn't activating the button inside to turn the machine on. So I pulled the cover off, manually activated the button, and the machine turned on and it runs, so that's fine. In the meantime, I realized I had not put my blade guard on here, and that blade running up and down that side there is kind of dangerous, so I got that on. But here we go. Worked just like it's supposed to. First piece of wood. There you go. Now I'm gonna give this to my neighbor as a memento to remember me by. He was here when it happened. Not many people got to see that. Here you go, Javier. Present.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
All right.
I need a couple more of those.
I need to do some more adjustment, make sure the table's square. I checked it for 90 degrees to the blade and it was, but I want to do some other adjustments, some other checks on it. But as far as I'm concerned, the bandsaw is officially operational. So there you are. Kind of a convoluted route to get here to this, but we did it. Of course, I'm supposed to have 14 inches or 13 and a half inches of bandsaw, and you can see this is not going all the way up, so I need to try to figure out what's causing that blockage. It should go all the way up to here, I think. Yeah, that's only giving me 11 and a half inches, so I got another inch and a half, 2 inches. I'll need to go in and figure out what the obstruction is here, why it's not going all the way up like it's supposed to. But that's all part of getting things started, and we need to go ahead and work on the top, clean it some more, and get some more of that cosmoline off of it. But it works. The blade works. I'm happy. My wife is happy. My neighbor's happy. Take the tension off the blade. There. There you are. 1H operational G0555 LX bandsaw, ready to be put to work, folks. Now, let's hope this video uploads, because like I told you at the beginning, yesterday I couldn't upload anything not yesterday, Saturday, for some reason. My videos just flat refused to upload, so they went into the video bank to be lost forever. And if this uploads, you'll see it. If it doesn't, well, it's been nice talking to the camera. For now, this is a DIY/CNC woodworker, and hope you have a nice day.